My name is Dr. Kansime Ivas Atwine, a therapist, a family therapist, and the CEO and founder of the International Center for Mental Health and Family Care. ICFC is a family-focused and mental health-focused organization which promotes the well-being of individuals, of children, of adults, but also workplace as well as entire society. Today I just want to continue in the series of preparing our boy children for life management, but also specifically for family management. And I would like to talk about the concept of teamwork. As you all know, teamwork is a very important aspect for healthy relationships, but also for success and growth of individuals. Now, as families, this is where we begin learning and understanding the importance of these concepts. And I'm emphasizing this from the standpoint of family leadership, preparing our sons, our brothers, and also supporting our husbands to understand the concept of family leadership. Why is this important? Once again, it's important for the success of everyone, because when we work as a team, each person's success means team success. So how can we ensure this in our families? Number one, respecting each other, and especially husband and wife. We need to prepare our sons to know that once you marry someone, you're not getting in just as a boss, but as a team player. And when you know that you're a team leader, they have to be understanding that then they have the responsibility to bring this family team together. And they have to be interested in the ideas and opinions, not only of their wives, but even when children come, they need to contribute thoughts and ideas. Number two, and which is very critical as a leader, is to have the vision of a family. It's not uncommon to find that most of our sons have no idea they want to marry and establish families, but they have no idea about how massive this is and how they need to have the bigger picture of the family beyond the day-to-day little management aspects. So, and I'd like to challenge each one of us, I'm a parent and you parents, how are we preparing our sons to do that kind of strategic thinking? Do they understand how big this institution is? Do they have a vision for the family? How is their family supposed to look like? Thirdly, the importance of tapping into the talents and resources in the family, and especially of their wives, because most of the time, family leaders, and in this case, husbands, they just are more concerned about their own giftings, their own talents, their own blessings, but they forget that as a leader, you're supposed to tap into the giftings and talents of your wife so that you work as a team. And sometimes, by the way, these talents have become a point of conflict. Either the family leader, in this case a man, is only displaying how important, how gifted, how talented they are, and the talents of their wife becomes a fight or a point of competition and conflict. And this is an area we need to prepare our sons into. And I just want to leave this message that let's teach our sons to know that two are better than one, as scripture tells us. And when families, husband and wife, work together in a very respectful, in a very considerate manner, understanding each other and respecting each other, then they are stronger. We've seen families where they have resources, but because they don't work together, they don't really develop. They don't get very far. So let's teach teamwork and help our sons to know that when they are in the family, They are a leader that is supposed to promote teamwork and not just the boss that is just displaying talent and gifting. Thank you so much once again. And remember, if you need any support with your family, you as an individual, or whatever stress trigger, whether family related or other stresses, we are available to support you. We are doing this in partnership with Rite TV, and if you need to approach us, the contacts are there. We are located in Mtinda on plot 432 Chigowa Road. God bless you.